Welcome into Selenium tutorial. In this tutorial, we will see driver.quit and driver.close methods. So let's begin. Driver.close basically only close the current window in which Selenium is running automated, while driver.quit method closes all browser windows and end the WebDriver session. So let's begin and check in practical. First, we will navigate to this URL driver.get string. Now we will use string main is equal to driver.get window handle. Every window have unique value. Now we will print this window value. System.out.println. Here we enter the variable name. After this, we want to open new tab. We will use driver.switch dot to dot new window and window type window type dot tab. Let's run this script and see what happens. In this scenario, first it will navigate to this URL and print the window value in console. After this, we will open a new URL in new tab. Chrome driver is opening. Here you can view new tab is open. We can also check window value is successfully printed. After this, we will navigate to other URL driver.get string. google.com. We will navigate to this URL and then we will perform the driver.close method. Let's run this script. Chrome driver is opening and then it will navigate to this URL and open the google.com in next window. Now, for example, we want to close only the current window. We will use driver.close method. Driver.close. Let's run this script. In this scenario, first it will navigate to this URL and print the window in console, and then it will open the new window and close the current window. Here you can view driver session is not closed because we use driver.close method. We can also navigate to the previous window by using driver.switch dot window. Here we enter the variable name in which we want to go. In this scenario, we will navigate to the previous window, which is first URL. Chrome driver is opening. Go to the first URL and then it will navigate to the second URL and then back into first window. Now we will use driver.quit method. In this scenario, all windows will be closed and the WebDriver session will be ended. Let's run this script. Chrome driver is opening. It will navigate to the first URL and then navigate to the second URL and then quit the browser because we use driver.quit. Driver.quit close all the windows, close all the windows and end the WebDriver session. Driver.close only close the current window. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel, like this video and comment.